Today on Zfactory, we play with fire.
Let me get 911 on speed dial real quick.
Today on episode 3 of Dirt Cheap Drift Build, Dirt Cheap Drift 240 Drift Build, Jack Cheap Drift Build. I pulled out that subframe from behind my shelf over there. I got her set up right here. I'm gonna burn the old bushings out of it and get the brand new, super fresh, super sexy bushings put in it. And today I have my cousin Kaden over here. Say hello, Kaden.
What's up, Zfactory?
Whoa! Zfactory family's getting a shout out from Kaden. Whoa! For the people that are freaked out about the ventilation because I'm burning rubber, I have this door open, which a ton of air is coming through here because I get a breeze from behind. And I got that fan help pulling out. And if it gets too bad, we're just gonna run outside and catch our breath. Send it! Good thing I got no smoke alarms in here. About to get bad in here. As you can see, this is crazy. I would highly recommend, and I've done it before, doing it outside. But it's dark, and for the sake of the video, I wanted to do it in the garage with ventilation. But what do you think, Kaden?
You can't even breathe in there.
It's pretty bad. Like, I'm having to take a deep breath, run in and stir it and come out.
It's bad.
Somebody's gonna drive by my house and be like, oh my gosh, garage on fire, and call the fire department. All right, he's about to go, and you ready to go?
Oh my God.
How do you feel, bud?
Like I'm gonna die for a second.
All right, so the last fire just went out. I'm gonna go inside, eat some dinner, and let this garage air out. Got the fans on, even standing right here in front of me. Oh.
It's bad. It's that bad.
It's that bad. I'm gonna go inside and let this garage air out. So it was so smoky in here last night, I had to pretty much just call it a night. It was bad. I went ahead and flipped this subframe over, and I'm gonna show you why. So here's the subframe. I flipped it over, supported it on jack stands. You can see I already got one shell out. Remember, I burned all these out, so all I have left is the shell. Where the shell is, you see a lot of people that will cut a slit down through it and then fold it in. I found that that's not even 100% necessary. All you have to do is find your lip, start banging the screwdriver through there. It's going to taco the edge in, and then as you're hammering it, it will fall through. There it is. Easy peasy. See that? Just folded right in. No damage to the subframe. I'm going to knock out the other two. And then I'll be able to go in there and clean these up and then put the new inserts in. Woo! Now I'm gonna go with some sandpaper, kind of clean them up a little bit. And I'm gonna do one bushing at a time. Grab one from the freezer, bring it in, put it in. I'm gonna get it started. With my hand. and then go to town. That's it. Woo-woo. So there you have it. We have all 4 subframe riser bushings installed. Now, before this subframe goes in that car, I'm going to get my neighbor's pressure washer. I'm going to set this out here, and I'm going to go to town because it just has years and years of grime and nastiness on it. I'm going to take all this plastic junk off. As for arms, I'm not going to do that just yet. I just want to have the car roll without a high-kiss rear end in it. Dang, looks like I got punched in the eye. Better. Pressure wash the subframe. Take this subframe out. Take this pumpkin out. Put this pumpkin in this subframe. Put this subframe in that car. Take that subframe and sell it. Who wants a high-kiss subframe? Nobody. But if you do, holler at me. I got it. So with that, I'm going to conclude this video. This is episode 3 of Dirt Cheap Drift Build on Zfactory Motors. Dirt Cheap Drift Build. Thank you for watching. And as always, like, comments, subscribes, and I'll see you next time.